A tourist, J. Patel, drove his car onto the Benaulim Beach where it got stuck in the sand. He claimed that GPS navigation directed him to the spot. Patel suggested that the government should install signboards clearly stating that vehicles are not allowed on beaches to prevent such incidents.
Just come here to see the Goa, and we come here try to see the beach. We put the navigation in a Google, navigation car, they bring it over here. There is no sign over here, so no car is not allowed or anything. And we see the track in the road, so we thought the car is allowed to go there. The government should put the sign over here. They say the vehicle is not allowed or anything, or also they can put any pole, so not any vehicle can come. Also my car is stuck. I'm ready to pay the fine, but the problem is there is no help over here. So they can tow my vehicle here. I mean, the government should help, or they can do something for the tourists. I'm the NRI. I come from the USA to see the Goa, and I'm ready to pay the fine on everything, but there is no help over here. And anyone can make a mistake to go anywhere, you know.
Yeah.
So I mean, what do you call? They should put some signs, put the pole over here, so people cannot bring the car over here. That's all I like to say.
Like, subscribe, and get notified.